Join me today as we take a look at this charming 19th century chateau in the Charente Dept of France. It is listed at $1,471,500. It has 11 bedrooms, 6 baths, is 6,500 square feet, sitting on 14 acres. This stunning property was built in 1890, and there is 3 additional homes on this property. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this stunning property as much as I have, please hit that like and subscribe. I try to do a new video for you guys every single day, and Sundays are my chateau video day. Every Sunday I try to do a chateau video. And if you have a bougie house you would like me to feature on this channel, please shoot me an email. And as always, thank you for watching.